Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to bhop on Gary's mode. Start by jumping forward, then hold either A left or D right while moving your mouse in the same direction. This combination helps build speed as long as you don't press W, which would reset your momentum. The key to bhopping is landing your next jump exactly as you hit the ground, allowing you to maintain it or increase speed without losing momentum. Start by running and jumping, then air strafe by holding A or D and turning your mouse into the same direction. Time your jump to land and immediately jump again upon hitting the ground, and repeat the cycle to maintain or gain speed. With consistent practice, this technique will become smoother, allowing you to cover distances more efficiently and more predictably. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.